Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into the world of innovation and technology. I am Kirti and today we have got an electrifying topic that's been sparking a lot of interest lately, electric vehicles. So, I am Kirti Reddy, currently pursuing my computer science and engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. So today's topic is electric vehicles, components, pros and cons. This is also the topic under the subject Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. If you ever wonder what makes electric cars tick, or if you are considering to make a switch to a greener mode of transportation, you are in the right place. We are going to break down the components that make these vehicles run smoothly, explore the advantages that are driving this revolution, and of course, discuss the disadvantages that might give you a pause. But before we jump into this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bells so you never miss out on our electrifying content. Now let's rev up and explore the world of electric vehicles. So these are the contents of this video: introduction, components, advantages, disadvantages, and also the landscape of electric vehicles, that is nothing but advancements and challenges. And finally, we will conclude the video with conclusion. Let's dive into the topic. Electric cars are becoming very popular these days. There are several reasons for a lot of people showing interest in these vehicles as they create less pollution compared to gasoline powered or petrol cars. So they are quite environmental friendly. It's impossible to tell. When you often drive an electric car, the only thing that strikes you with its true nature is that it is almost silent. Electric vehicles, also known as EVs, do not require IC engine to operate, as it is powered by an electric motor instead of a gas powered engine. The electric motor gets energy from a controller which regulates the amount of power based on the driver's use of an accelerator pedal. The electric car uses energy stored in its rechargeable batteries, which are recharged by common household electricity. So, to understand how an electric vehicle works, you need to be familiar with the physical elements of the electric vehicle. So, let's now discuss the components of electric vehicles. Battery pack. This is like the fuel tank of an electric car. It stores electricity instead of gas. It typically consists of lithium ion or other advanced battery technologies. Regenerative braking. It captures and converts some of the kinetic energy during back into electrical energy, which is then sent back to the battery for storage. This improves overall efficiency and extends the vehicle's range mostly. Next, we have electric motor, which is responsible for converting electrical energy from the battery into mechanical energy to drive the vehicle, including AC and DC electric motors. So next we have the onboard charger. It basically converts AC power from an external source into DC power for the battery during the charging process. The charging system includes the onboard charger, which converts AC power to DC power for the battery. Ports are where the EV is connected to an external power source for recharging. And next is electric vehicle control unit, which is also called as EVCU. It is like the brain of the car. It controls and manages how the different parts of the car work together, such as power distribution, energy management, and safety systems. So next we have transmission, which is basically single speed. Most of the electric vehicles have a single speed transmission or do not have a traditional transmission at all, as electric motors can provide a wide range of torque across different speeds. Vehicle control system unit, also called as which is also called as VCU. These system include various sensors and controllers that monitor and adjust vehicle performance, such as traction control, stability control, and anti-lock braking. Power electronics manages the flow of electrical energy between the battery and the electric motor. which include the inverter, which converts DC power from the battery to AC power for the motor. And yeah, now let's discuss the advantages which is driving this revolution of electric vehicles. It almost reduces air pollution, zero emissions, and elimination of harmful pollutants. Energy security, less reliance on crude oil imports, contributing to energy security. It's cost effective, lower running cost, and potential for using solar power. Battery recycling, almost all of the materials in electric vehicle batteries can be recycled. Low maintenance. Electric cars have fewer parts that can wear out, leading to reduced maintenance needs. Less noise and smoother motion. Electric cars operate more quietly because they don't have loud engines or exhaust systems. Government incentives. Some governments already offer financial incentives like tax credits to encourage people to buy electric vehicles. And yeah, as I told earlier, we will also discuss the disadvantages of electric vehicles, which might give you a pause. High initial cost. They can be more expensive to buy initially compared to petrol or diesel cars. Recharging time. Charging may take longer compared to refueling a traditional car. For full recharge, it requires more time as compared to refueling of a traditional car. And as people are less into electric vehicles, even charging stations are limited. Finding charging station, especially during long journeys, can be a concern as they are not as widespread as gas stations. Fire hazards. There is a potential risk associated with electric vehicles, though it's important to note that such incidents of fire hazards are rare. And electric vehicles often have less driving range. They can't go as far on a single charge as compared to traditional cars on a full tank, which make them less convenient for long distance travel. Also, electric vehicles have limited options. There are not many choices in terms of appearance, style, customization of electric cars compared to traditional ones. The evolving landscape of electric vehicles. So, here I will talk about the advancements and challenges to be faced and overcome the challenges. So, here advancements like increased range per charge, government initiatives and incentives, cost reduction, charging infrastructure development, integration of renewable energy. Challenges. Under challenges, we have developing more extensive charging infrastructure, recycling and disposal of batteries, variability in government policies, addressing vehicle cost and infrastructure limitation, and also consumer perception and education. And now it's time for conclusion. We discuss the components, advantages and disadvantages, and also advancements and challenges. As we conclude this exploration, it is evident that electric vehicles represent more than a mode of transportation. They embody a commitment to an environmental stewardship, technological innovation, and a reimagined automotive landscape. The journey towards electric mobility is one of continuous improvement, adaptation, and collective responsibility, steering us towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. If you are as passionate about the future of transportation as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting content. Together, let's drive towards the future where sustainability and innovation go hand in hand. So, until next time, stay charged and drive green. I hope this video is informative. Thank you for watching.